Everyone's got their own version of this. Well, here's mine. A little bit of water, a little bit of butter. I know a lot of folks, they don't like using butter, but I like using a little butter. It's no big deal. And a whole lot of cracked black pepper, a really nice amount. Let the water reduce a little bit with the butter and also the black pepper in there. Then add the noodle, and then you add a little bit more liquid. So the noodle, you see how the noodle like really starts to absorb the liquid. Once it stops absorbing the liquid in there, then it's ready. You ought to have a little bit of liquid left in there because that's gonna help you make the sauce. See how this is? It started to thicken up a little bit, yeah, but it's right in the middle, like not really thick, not actually hugging the noodle yet, but also not a thin sauce. Then, very important, remove it from the heat, and then you start adding the cheese. You can use a little bit more Reggiano, you can use a little bit more sheep's milk pecorino. I usually use half and half, but really anything works. And then you slowly add the cheese, and then you like mix it around, and you don't stop. And this is what really makes the sauce. You want to watch as it starts to thicken up around the noodle. You might have to even add a little bit more water. That's all right. See how it's nice and creamy? That's exactly what you're looking for. And then you kind of roll it up and just kind of place it right on the plate and then just pour the leftover sauce right over it. That's what you're looking for. Then you can always add a little bit more black pepper and a little more cheese at the end.